This is Sainsbury's Basics chicken flavoured noodles. There it is. And kind of hope this one tastes nice. It should. Just basic chicken flavoured one. The last one I tried was really nice. It's chicken and mushroom. So I cooked this for 6 minutes. And it's not a strong smell as the last one. The last one really smelled really nice. This one doesn't really. It smells alright. Kind of bland. Yeah, it just tastes like chicken stock. It isn't too bad. Just kind of, well, there are vegetables in it. So wee bits of green vegetables. Yeah. Tastes okay. Kind of bland. Tastes a wee bit just like chicken stock. There's nothing really much to it. Just kind of disappointing because the last one tasted really nice. It was chicken and mushroom flavour and big bits of mushroom in it, and you can see that in the last video that I did. But yeah, this one just tastes normal, and yeah, it's fine. It's okay. It doesn't taste bad, but just tastes a wee bit like noodles with a wee bit of chicken stock. So that's it, really. Yeah, there's wee bits of peas in it. That seems to be a standard for them, for Sainsbury's. Yeah, that's it. I'm trying to see if there's anything else in it. No, it's just bits of peas. Comparison. Yeah. That's it. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Sorry. Okay. See you later. Bye. Would I recommend it? If you're, well, I suppose if you're looking for a cheap, quick snack, yeah, I suppose why not? But I prefer the chicken and mushroom. Yeah. That's it. Bye.